Gene Bosler here, Houston, Texas, September 11th, 2010. Here's where the vehicle accident occurred back in May. Took out this row of pittosporums, took out this wall, or this pillar, hit this pine, and hit that pine. Okay, so we get these beautiful crepe myrtles, and this one needs to be replaced, and it needs to be looks like it needs to be a white crepe myrtle, possibly a Natchez crepe. The stump is right here. There's an irrigation head. That's just a soda lid. All I really see here is an irrigation head. From here to the sidewalk, let me paste that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little over 9 feet from, let me stand back, there's no traffic on Memorial at the moment, a little over 9 feet from the sidewalk to the iron fence. And the crepe myrtle kind of needs to go right there, a little to the left. So this is the size of the one, I'd say 6 inches in diameter and 15 feet tall. That crepe myrtle, 16, 18, maybe 20 feet tall. So, what do you think? Can you plant me a good-sized crepe myrtle here? Something close to this 7-8 inch diameter, or as close as we can get. Thank you, guys.